Okay, so now we are going to discuss the polyline. So polyline, from the word itself, it is composed of many lines. So if I click this, it says here creates a 2D polyline. So it's a sequence of segments created as a single planar object. Right. So if I click this, now I click this polyline command and says here in the status bar specify start point. So let's just select some random points. Right. So specify next point. Right. So that's the default, that's the next point, but right here you can see some other options. If you want to make an arc, or if you want to close it, or half width or length, then you can select that, but the default is you just have to specify the next point. So let's say I specify this and then another point, and then I want to go back. Now if I want to go back, I'd rather choose the close command, or just type C. So anything that's color blue here, that's gonna be my shortcut. So type C and then press enter. So it goes back to this point. Alright, so let's check what if we don't press C. So what's gonna happen? And then press enter. So basically it's almost the same, I guess. Right, so it's a one I mean the entire lines, they are selected as one object. Right now you can also say that we can do this using lines, right? It's because anyway polylines are just consist of lines. So if I select a line and then specify first point and then specify second point right here, then I press C. So now let's check if alright, so there's the difference. Now the difference now is if I select a polyline, when I click this object, that all the lines are grouped together into this one object called polyline. Whereas if I use the line command, the objects or the lines they're not grouped together. So that's the difference. So this will matter later on if we extrude this for 3D objects. So this will really matter. We need to really close it, in that this polyline must be one object.